I thought that my life was going to be better in coming to the United States. I thought that I was going to be able to work hard and get ahead and really just give my kids an opportunity at a better life than I had. I never imagined it was related to the coffee or that the coffee was making me sick because no one had ever complained about working around the coffee, so I didn't think it was caused from work. I want you to know that it's very difficult to live with this illness, that it takes a person's abilities to live like a normal person. It prevents a normal life, in every sense of the word, normal. From a normal life outside the home, a normal life with your family, with your children, it really prevents having that normal interaction with my kids and with my family. Now it's such that if I think back to if I could do it all over again, I would have done things a lot differently. The big mistake that I made in my life was going to work at that coffee plant, and I would have never gone to work there.